Hey everyone! Did you know some of the world's most vibrant cities were once devastated by disasters? Let's explore how resilience transforms ruins into marvels. First up, San Francisco. In 1906, age 15 to 40, ever wondered how cities devastated by disasters were reborn from their ashes? Let's explore the remarkable stories of 10 cities that were rebuilt after facing ruin. From the historic recovery of Warsaw, Poland, after World War II, to the transformative rebirth of San Francisco following the 1906 earthquake, these cities showcase the resilience and determination of the human spirit. Hiroshima's revival post-atomic devastation stands as a deeply moving testimony of peace and recovery. And let's not forget about New Orleans, a city that has been bustling with energy and culture since its reconstruction after Hurricane Katrina. Each story not only reflects a city's ability to rebuild but also its population's courage to start over and create new memories. These stories are a testament to the indomitable will of cities and communities to rise, rebuild, and flourish once again. Did you know some of the world's most vibrant cities were once devastated by disasters? Let's explore how resilience transforms ruins into marvels. First up, San Francisco. In 1906, a massive earthquake and fire nearly wiped it out. Fast forward, it's now a tech and cultural hub, symbolizing innovation. Next, Warsaw, Poland. Destroyed during World War II, it's now lovingly restored, bustling with history and modernity. Chicago is another Phoenix city. The Great Fire of 1871 left it in ashes, but it rose to become a skyline icon recognized worldwide. What do these cities teach us? That resilience and unity can turn even the greatest adversities into opportunities for growth and renewal. Remember, it's not just about rebuilding buildings but rekindling spirit. Let's delve into a fascinating history lesson on historical disasters, cities that rose from the ashes. Imagine a city hit by disaster, but rising, stronger and more vibrant than ever. First, take Chicago in 1871. The Great Chicago Fire decimated the city, leaving a massive rebuild in its wake. What emerged? A city known for its iconic skyline and robust architecture. Moving across the pond, we find London in 1666, devastated by the Great Fire of London. Yet, it was this tragedy that paved the way for modern urban planning, giving us the London we adore today. And we can't forget San Francisco in 1906, shattered by an earthquake and fire, only to rebuild into a hub of innovation and culture. These cities are testaments to human resilience and ingenuity. Ever wondered how cities can bounce back from total devastation to become even better than before? Let's explore 10 cities that did exactly that. Starting with Warsaw, Poland, which was almost entirely destroyed during World War II and then meticulously rebuilt, preserving its historical essence. Next up, San Francisco, after the 1906 earthquake, not only rebuilt but innovated earthquake-resistant technologies. Jump over to Hiroshima, Japan, a city that rose from atomic ashes to become a symbol of peace and resilience. Each city's story isn't just about buildings and roads, but about the spirit and determination of it. Today, we're diving into cities around the world known for their incredible resilience and ability to rebuild. First up, imagine San Francisco post-1906 earthquake. Fast forward to today, and it's a booming tech hub with iconic landmarks like the Golden Gate Bridge. Next, let's hop over to Warsaw, Poland. Devastated during World War II, but rebuilt meticulously, reflecting its rich history in every corner. Lastly, Hiroshima, a city that rose from the ashes of atomic devastation to become a symbol of peace and prosperity. These cities not only rebuilt their structures but also their spirit and heart. It's a testament to human resilience and the power of. Ever seen cities rise like a phoenix from the ashes? Let's explore 10 cities that rebuilt themselves after major tragedies. First up, San Francisco. After the 1906 earthquake, the city quickly rebuilt and hosted a successful World's Fair in 1915. Moving on to Warsaw, Poland, Demolished in World War II, but today, it's a bustling metropolis, rich in history and modernity. Jumping over to New Orleans, Hurricane Katrina couldn't dampen its spirit. The city's vibrant culture and community came back stronger, preserving its unique heritage. Hiroshima, Japan, showcases human resilience. From atomic destruction in 1945 to a city committed to peace and prosperity. Lastly, let's look at Christchurch, New Zealand. After the 2011 earthquake, it reinvented itself with innovative architecture. Have you ever wondered how cities bounce back after devastating disasters? Let's dive into the Phoenix effect, how cities transform calamities into rebirth. Across the globe, many cities have faced catastrophes, only to rise from the ashes stronger. Take San Francisco, for example. After the 1906 earthquake, the city rapidly rebuilt itself, incorporating new earthquake-resistant technologies that made the city even more resilient. Similarly, Warsaw, Poland, was almost entirely destroyed during World War II but was meticulously restored, preserving its historical architecture while modernizing its infrastructure. And let's not forget New Orleans. Post-Katrina, the city has revitalized its flood defenses and community spirit, turning tragedy into triumph. These cities exemplify the Phoenix effect, turning a crisis into an opportunity. How cities bounce back after facing massive setbacks? Let's explore the remarkable transformation of 10 cities from devastation to development. Starting with Hiroshima and Nagasaki, these cities rose from atomic ruins to become symbols of peace and technological advancement. Jump to New Orleans, which redefined urban planning and culture after Hurricane Katrina's wrath. Moving towards Europe, Warsaw was painstakingly rebuilt after World War II to preserve its historical charm alongside modern growth. And from the fire ashes, Chicago and San Francisco reinvented themselves into architectural wonders and tech hubs after their respective Great Fires. Each city showcases resilience and innovation, turning tragic events into opportunities for better infrastructure, stronger communities, and sustainable growth. From ruins to riches, these cities teach us the power of recovery and